Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon, ang 1 peseta ng Spain. Mayroong taon na 1944. Share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang informasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Spanish. The 1944 1 peseta coins of Spain is a fascinating piece with historical significance reflecting the political and economic context of post-Civil War Spain under the regime of General Francisco Franco. Here's the detailed information guys. The number 1, historical context. Era. The coins was minted during Francoist Spain, a period of authoritarian rule following the Spanish Civil War from 1936 until 1939. Economic situation. Spain was in a phase of autarky, economic self-sufficiency, and isolation after the World War II, reflected in the coins design and material. Number 2, design details of the obverse. Front features a portrait of General Francisco Franco facing right. Inscription: Francisco Franco Caudillo de España, for LAG de Dios Francisco Franco, leader of Spain, by the grace of God. This inscription highlights Franco's association with both political and religious authority. Reverse or the back displays the Spanish coat of arms of the Franco regime incorporation. Elements such as the eagle of St. John, a traditional heraldic symbol. The denomination of 1 peseta and the year of 1944 are also visible. The phrase "Una grande libre," one great free, emphasize the unity and sovereignty of Spain under Franco. Number 3, materials and specification. Compositions: aluminum bronze, a mix of aluminum and copper, chosen for its durability and cost effectiveness. Weight: approximately 4 grams, with the diameter of 22 mm. Edge smooth and plain. The number 4, mintage and rarity. Although dated 1944, these coins may have been struck in later years, as the minting process in Francoist Spain sometimes reuse earlier dates for consistency. Mintage figures are not readily available, but the coins is relatively common among collectors of Spanish numismatics. Number 5, symbolism. The designs on this coin serve as a propaganda, emphasizing Franco's leadership and the national ideals of the regime. The use of traditional Spanish heraldry and the Latin inscriptions underscores the historical continuity Franco sought to project. Number 6, collector's value. The value of the 1944 1 peseta coin depends on its condition, circulated conditions, from $1 to US to $3. uncirculated conditions up to $10 or more. These coins are affordable for the new collectors but hold significant historical interest. The 1 peseta coins of Spain has a rich historical background tied to the country's monetary and political evolutions. Here's the overview. The origin of the pesetas. The pesetas was introduced in 1868 as part of Spain's entry into the Latin Monetary Union and the agreement to the standardized currencies across the Europe. It replaced the earlier Spanish escudo, aligning the Spain's monetary system with the decimal standard. The 1 peseta coin first issuance 1869. The 1 peseta coin was first minted in 1869 during Spain's transitions from monarchy to a more liberal government following the dethroning of Queen Isabella II. These coins were struck in the silver 835%, weighing 5 grams with a diameter of 23 mm. The designs elements of the obverse, the national coat of arms, and the effigy of the reigning monarchs depending on the era. The reverse design often features symbolic imagery like Hispania, a representations of Spain as a female figure, or allegorical motifs. Monarch featured King Alfonso XII, 1874 until 1885, and the Alfonso XIII, 1886-1931, appeared on the many peseta coins during their respective reigns. During the Second Spanish Republic, 1931 until 1939, coins wore republican symbols instead of monarchic imagery. Francois Spain from 1939 until 1975 under the Franco's regime. The coins displayed his profile with inscription like Francisco Franco Caudillo de España. The reverse often featured the Spanish coat of arms, post a Franco period and modernizations. After the Franco's death in 1975 and the establishment of the constitutional monarchy under King Juan Carlos I, the coin's design changed to feature his portrait. Modern 1 peseta coins 1975 until 2001 were made from aluminum bronze to suit a more cost-effective productions. The end of peseta. The peseta was officially replaced by the euro on January 1, 2002. The 1 peseta coins, like other denominations, ceased to be legal tender after a transition period. The collectibility, early silver pesetas, and those from a significant historical period, the Spanish Civil War, are highly collectibles. Key dates or errors in minting increase their numismatic value. Would you like to explore any specific era or design in greater details? So napakaganda guys ang ating na banggit ngayon guys na mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa ating 1 peseta coins ng Spain. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.